In this video I'll be installing a new grill for my 2022 Big Bend. This is a more aggressive looking grill with Raptor style amber grill lights. It comes in a gloss black finish. It doesn't have any of the Bronco letters like the factory grills. It was very well packaged and came with good installation instructions. Not very many tools are needed for the grill swap. To remove the grill, a top cover above the grill needs to be removed. I used a plastic clip removal tool to remove the 8 clips holding the top cover in place. Next, there are 4 screws that hold the grill to the Bronco. After removing the screws, I worked my way around the grill, pulling on it to release the clips holding it to the Bronco. Next, I fit the new grill into place and lined up the clips where they insert into the Bronco. The wiring harness for the amber grill lights was giving me some trouble. I routed the harness through a channel on the backside of the grill. After doing that, the grill snapped into place. I secured the grill to the Bronco using the 4 screws from the original grill. Then replace the top cover using the 8 clips removed earlier. The final step is to wire the amber grill lights. The lights can be wired to the fuse box with the supplied kit. When the Bronco is on, the grill lights will turn on. If you have the factory switch panel, the lights can be wired into it so you can control when the lights are on. My Big Bend didn't come with a switch panel from the factory. I installed an aftermarket switch panel. It comes with a controller that I installed under the hood, and a remote gets routed into the Bronco. I wired the grill lights to my controller box. This way I can choose when to run my grill lights. Thanks for watching. Been enjoying my 2022 Big Bend. It's been a good time documenting some of the mods.